Hello guys, welcome to Tech Corner, where we simplify tech for you. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing tech content like this. In today's video, I'll be showing you on how to set up your Touch ID using your fingerprint. What is Touch ID? Touch ID is a fingerprint sensor embedded on the power button of an Apple MacBook, which mostly comes on MacBook Air from 2018, 2019, 2020, both on Pro till it gets to M1, M2, M4. They come on their power button. They're embedded on the power button of an Apple MacBook. What can you use Touch ID to do? With Touch ID, you can unlock your MacBook conveniently. With Touch ID, you can autofill password on any website or app you've logged in before without typing the password. With Touch ID, you can make purchase on the Apple Play Store. With Touch ID, you can also make purchase on the Apple Play. These are the features you'll be getting whenever you enable the Touch ID on your MacBook. With just the tip of your finger, all these things are done. Now, let me show you on how to set up your Touch ID, so that you can actually use it to make purchase, autofill password without stress. Let's dive in. Now, if you want to set up your Touch ID, let's say this is the MacBook you want to set up your Touch ID. This particular MacBook is a 2024 M3 MacBook Air. If you want to set it up, you come to your system settings. If it is on your older MacBook, it will be system preference. Since it's on the newer MacBook, if you tap on the system settings, you come by the left hand side of this box and scroll till you see password, Touch ID and password. When you click on Touch ID and password, by your right hand side, you will see Touch ID lets you use your fingerprint to unlock your Mac and make purchase with Apple Play, iTunes Store, App Store, and Apple Book. Now, for us to set up a Touch ID using our fingerprint, we have to add one fingerprint. With this Touch ID, you can set up 3 fingers on your MacBook. You can actually use this finger, this finger, this finger to unlock your MacBook conveniently. Imagine being in a coffee shop, you're holding a coffee on your right hand, you can actually use this one to unlock, or you're holding your coffee on your left hand, you can use this one to unlock. That is so sweet. Let's dive in. Input your password. Input your password. Now, it will bring out this box for you. Place your finger, lift and rest your finger on the Touch ID. Let's use this finger to set up our Touch ID. Place your finger on it. Keep placing your finger on it. Keep placing your finger on it. Keep placing your finger. Lift up. Keep going. Keep going. It's capturing the edges of your finger. Now it said your Touch ID is ready. Click on Done. Let's add finger 2 on this MacBook, so we can use 2 fingers to unlock it. Now, place this finger on it. Keep placing your finger on it. Lift up. Keep placing on it. Till it said it's done. Now, Touch ID is also ready. Click Done. Let's add another one. Let's add this finger, the 3rd finger. I want to show you that you can actually add as many fingers as you can. Now, we are using this one. Keep placing. It's capturing it. Keep it up. 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 Your Touch ID is ready. Click Done. Now, if you notice initially when there was no fingerprint or there was no fingerprint set up, all these icons were turned off. Now that we've set the fingerprint, you can use your Touch ID to unlock your MacBook. You can use your Touch ID for Apple Pay. You can use your Touch ID for purchasing iTunes Store, App Store, and Apple Book. You can also use your Touch ID for autofilling of password on any website you've logged in. That is one of the sweetest things about this Touch ID. You don't need to retype your password. All you have to do is just to put your fingerprint. Everything will be autofill. Whether your Apple ID, your iCloud, whatever it is, use your Touch ID for fast switching. Now let's try it. For us to test if this thing is working, on a normal day you should restart your system, but I'm going to lock this system. Now let's try this finger one. Super fast. As you can see, without even wasting much time, let's lock it again. Let's try this index finger. As you can see, it is unlocked. So with this touch ID, your work or unlocking your MacBook will be super fast. Autofilling password will be super fast. Paying for apps will be super fast. With that, most of us that usually forget our password, once you set up your touch ID with your fingerprint, you don't need to think of what to type or where to type. All you have to do is just to use your finger to unlock your MacBook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Our target is to hit 1K subscriber by the end of this 2025. See you in my next video. Peace out. One love.